my mom was cleaning out the basement, and he. So, hello, YouTuber fans. So, my mom was cleaning out the basement, and look what I found. Dad's old fire gear.
It's not really fire gear, but if you want to pretend it's fire gear, we can.
It basically is.
Show whatever it is you think it is. What is that?
A radio.
It looks like a fire radio, but if you look at the bottom plug, hold it up. That is an old Nextel plug. So when Nextel radios were popular, Nextel cell phones, they had a two-way radio function.
And Dad taught me how to put this on.
So
and I hate this.
You don't have to do it that way. You can do it in the front.
So you put it over your shoulder.
You can do it wherever you want.
Hey,
yeah. So I special ordered this. Somebody else had it. Bernie Me In or somebody. Only 2 people who ever ordered these things. It ordered it direct from Motorola. I think we'll zoom in on it. Ordered it direct from, it was Northeast Communications then. I don't know. They're Norcom now or some kind of name like that. Anyway, ordered it direct from Motorola, and it would plug in where you would charge your cell phone or whatever, and it had push to talk and a speaker. So if you were, I mostly wore it for fun, like on Fun Drive and Firehouse events, because it was funny. Everybody had two-way radios, or not just the two-way radios. Everybody had the Nextels, and you could rock this like a total whacker, and it worked. You know, push to talk, and it had the speaker, and you could rock it, had the clip. You could rock it on your lapel, or if you wore a T-shirt, you could pin it right to your T-shirt. Yeah. Yeah, you could do that. Here, I'll bet. Hold your shirt out. Mom's gonna be so mad you're stretching out. You could do that. Plug this into your... You plug that... Put that right in your pocket. You plug that into your cell phone, and then when somebody two-ways you, you didn't have to get your phone. You say, yeah, what do you want? Say, hey, back up that dump truck.
Okay, what's the job?
No. You leave it right there. You could leave it right there, and you could just...
Fine.
So, James found this along with what looks like an old, I'm guessing an old Nextel charger, car charger, and...
So, guess what?
A belt
So let's start with this, because I can't believe Dad could do that. So
this thing is pretty much garbage, because I don't know anyone who still uses that. But that microphone, let me see that. Not that we could do anything with it, but if James had an idea that if he dresses as a firefighter or police or something for Halloween, he said, could he wear this? And I said, you can have it. I mean, I don't know what else. I don't know anybody who still has Nextel. If somebody does, I don't know. We don't want to give it away just yet, but you know, it'd be fun to try it out and make sure it still works. This thing was probably $40 or $50. Special order from Motorola. Like I said, nobody had them. I think I saw Bernie Me In had one.
They don't make these anymore. So let's talk about this.
And it was the funniest thing. This is everybody had one of these. They threw them away. Why I didn't throw this away, I have no idea. I think, honestly,
this thing's broken.
No, that's how they look. I think that Nana and Pop had Nextels even after me, and I think your mom was supposed to give all this stuff to them, so they had spare stuff, but she never did. So
actually, this you can plug into your cigarette plug like that. In
the car,
and then you can charge
your Nextel.
Your Nextel.
But nobody really has those anymore. No one I know. Everyone has iPhones.
Well, we shouldn't throw this out because you don't know. We might get a Nextel and what happens from like a taxi.
Nextels, when they came out, they were awesome.
So if we find one that works at a taxi or something.
No, that's not how they work. You need to pay monthly. And when Sprint bought them out, they worked like garbage.
Then we do one? We could get one?
Mm-hmm.
I say,
if you want to keep playing with that dumb cord, you can.
We're not playing with it.
That we're going to keep. You know why? Because like you mentioned, it would make an awesome Halloween costume accessory thing.
So, but I want to keep this because
If you want to keep that, you can keep it. The second you tie it around your brother's neck I'm going to throw it out. But right now, if you want to keep pretending that it's a fire department thing, which it's not, you can. I don't care.
Well...
It's yours. Congratulations. That is super cool, and I probably will never get rid of that just because, you know how many laughs it brought when I would pretend to run plates and stuff at the firehouse, and the guys they thought it was hilarious. This goes on your belt, and you would wear
on
the
the
next
back and a good
on the side next to your fire pager. Nobody wears phones on their belts anymore. They put them in their pockets because they're iPhones.
Dad, my grandpa Pop
Okay.
who does it when he's
There's
working
still
at
some
construction
people
site.
that work in the trades that do, but the rest of us just carry them in our pockets. I think Farmer Jim and your Pop still do, but nobody else does.
Because they're workers and they can't have them in their pockets.
Maybe. I don't know.
Because I see theirs, they say these have grip, real life grip.
Yeah.
But this one doesn't.
You can have that.
Yes, for your little PPL.
Mom and I spend a lot of money on toys for you, but if you want to find old junk in the basement to play with, more power to you.
So that machine that Dad said.
It was a Nextel.
Nextel.
It was like a cell
you put it on
phone.
your side, and it holds your Nextel for you while you're using it.
Well.
It holds it.
Yeah, it's a holder. Anyway, we're at about 6 minutes in this video. What else? Is that everything you wanted to show?
So don't forget to subscribe because.
So your channel now shows old technology too, like 15-year-old technology.
Yeah.
That's good. I hear Charlie laughing. Do you know that Mom has to hold Charlie back because he keeps ruining your videos?
Yeah, I hate it.
Yeah. All right.
One day
What is this a tag or something? Why can't?
Yeah, that is a tag.
All right. Can you say goodnight?
Good night, and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to your channel.
Bye.
Where you'll bring old technology to life again.
Yeah, and I'll look through my dad's garage and get all the.
I wonder, and this is probably not even worth it. I bet that somebody like Dave Loftus or somebody could probably rig this up on something. Not an iPhone, perhaps, but like on something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But either way, like you said, it'll make a cool prop for your costume.
Yeah. And then we'll tell you everything we use to make these videos.
We're using an iPhone now. That's the latest.
Yeah.
We're not using a Nextel.
But when we go for
For what?
When we go for
You would have loved Nextels. It's like when little kids like you have walkie-talkies. It was like adults playing walkie-talkies every day. They were the best.
That sounds fun.
It was so much fun.
Guess what?
Except like plumbers and electricians, they would walk around stores talking loudly.
When I'm driving quads now, gas powered that I got for Christmas.
Yep.
I use on those quads a GoPro.
Okay.
Because I got that for my birthday.
That GoPro video didn't come out great. I still have it.
Yeah, because the snow was kind of bad.
But do you know that they make wireless headsets for your helmet? So you and Charlie and I could all talk while you're riding?
Yeah.
That's what we need to get.
Like for race cars?
Yeah, like that. But it's like built in, I think, to the helmet. I've seen them on motorcycles, like guys that ride across country. They can talk to each other. We need to find a used one of those on Craigslist.
Yes, we do.
And then you and Charlie could talk, and Mom and me, and we could all talk. It'll be like...
You could be my pit crew.
I could be your pit crew. James, time to come in and pit. And that way Mom doesn't have to yell at you. And she lost her voice the other day yelling for you to come back, bring the quad.
Yeah.
All right, so you want to say goodnight?
Good night, and don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to what channel?
To Applebee Vlog.
Applebee Vlog. Applebee Vlog. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Monster trucks at New Haven Coliseum.